finding the frets. When playing higher frets, it can be a bit tricky to quickly localize the frets. The lowest frets are easy, but reaching fret 5 or higher will get harder. One hint here is not to count the frets from the headstock, but rather memorize the dots that you see on the neck. Most guitars have these dots on fret 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Memorizing what frets the dots are on will make it faster to find the right frets when playing. So if a lesson has notes on fret 3 and 5, you'll be able to find those frets a lot faster if you know that the first dot is fret 3 and the second dot is fret 5. So try to memorize the first 4 dots for now. As you might notice, the frets with dots also have markings on the fretboard right here. If your guitar has the dots on different frets than illustrated here, then just memorize what frets they're on. This is all about getting to know the guitar you play.